How did Shenzhen Feiyang Protech Corporation Limited become the global leader in sales and innovation in the field of polyaspartic polyurea materials? In 2009, when polyaspartic polyurea material was gaining significant traction in the international market, a new materials company from Shenzhen, China, Shenzhen Feiyang Protech Corporation Limited, unlocked the so-called choke point polyaspartic polyurea technology through independent R&D, achieving localized innovation of polyaspartic polyurea material. With the joint efforts of Feiyang Protech and numerous partners, polyaspartic polyurea material rapidly entered a new round of application exploration and practice both in China and globally. Unlike in the international market, where the material have been used only in the protection of military equipment, industrial flooring and anti-corrosion of steel structures, over the past 16 years, polyaspartic polyurea material has been widely applied in China in high-speed rail, wind power, hydropower dams, water parks, building waterproofing and repels, sealants, electronic adhesives, new energy materials, structural materials, and many other fields and scenarios. Feiyang Protech has not only pioneered the use of polyaspartic polyurea material in many emerging fields, but also accumulated more innovative technologies in materials synthesis and application while developing these new applications. With its technological accumulation and industrial contributions in the field of polyaspartic polyurea material, Feiyang Protech has been recognized for many consecutive years as a state-level high-tech enterprise and a national special new key leader giant with nearly 100 invention patents. Feiyang has also led or participated in the formulation of 17 national and industrial standards and has received honors such as the Manufacturing Individual Champion in Guangdong province. 2 decades, one focus. Feiyang, the pioneer of polyaspartic technology.